Okay, so now we are working on example 2 with just a little bit larger, nastier looking fractions that we want to multiply. So again, the first thing you always want to do is factor. Always. Just don't forget it. So the top one, we want to find two things that multiply together to give us negative 12 and add to give us negative 1. So we're going to have a minus 4 times by a plus 3. You always want to check those and make sure that they multiply. This one is just like that one we did on the previous questions. It's a perfect little one. So we have a minus 3 times by a plus 3. The next one, we're going to have a minus 3 times by a minus 1. And divide that by, now this one, if you try to factor it, it's not going to work. So look, if you can't find anything, always pull out a common term. So in this case, both of them have an a, so then we're going to have a minus 4. Now, cancel. This is probably going to become your favorite part. So we're going to have a minus 4 cancels, a plus 3 and a plus 3, a minus 3 and a minus 3. So then we are left with a minus 1 divided by a. Again, we are going to identify restrictions. So this one will help you if you didn't get on example 1, the last one where I asked you to do the restrictions. So the easiest place we always want to do them, we talked about this on the last lesson, is you want to do it where you factored. So set each of your factors equal to 0. So you're going to have a minus 3 equal to 0. We're going to have a plus 3 equal to 0. We're going to have a equal to 0. That's this one. And then we're going to have a minus 4 equal to 0. So we want to isolate our variable. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. A equals 3. We're going to subtract 3 from both sides. A equals minus 3. This one's already nicely done for us. And then we're going to add 4 to both sides on this one. So then we're going to have a equals 4. So these restrictions tell us that when a is 0, negative 3, positive 3, or 4, that our denominator will be 0, so therefore they are restrictions. So we just go a cannot equal negative 3, 0, positive 3, or positive 4. And that's it for that one.